Kohlrausch law. Kohlrausch law states that at infinite dilution, when the dissociation of electrolyte is complete, each ion makes a definite contribution towards the molar conductivity of electrolyte, irrespective of the nature of the other ion with which it is associated. The molar conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution can be expressed as the sum of the contributions from its individual ions. Let us assume lambda naught positive and lambda naught negative represent the limiting molar conductivities of cation and anion respectively. The limiting molar conductivity of electrolyte at infinite dilution is given by V positive lambda naught positive plus V negative lambda naught negative, where V positive and V negative represent the number of positive and negative ions furnished by each formula unit.
For more such videos, download the iPrep app now.